Okay, I made a video yesterday showing Motorola Droid with uh, Flash Player running. I'll admit it's a little hoax or whatever. I was just kind of showing off, just playing. In actuality, it's really a program, which, in a way, I guess you could have Flash Player working on here. And it's in beta right now, so it's not displaying the sound. So what you heard on the other video was just a computer speaker. But I mean, it's possible with the program. It only costs $9.99 right now, and it's a pre-in beta sale or something like that. I guess you purchase it before the beta starts turning in the real program itself. Uh, so I'm pretty sure they're going to update to where it'll have sound. So what you're looking at is basically my computer. So I'm going to turn off the lights, and now that you've seen that it's the Motorola Droid, to get better detail so you can see the picture better. Now, I am running Windows Vista on my computer, and basically what you're looking at on your computer, which is over there. Got my laptop right now. My PC's not doing very well. You're seeing the same thing on the Motorola Droid. You scroll down or scroll up, and I'm using Safari as the browser. See if I can click on a link for you. Oh, let's do CNET again. Pretty responsive. I just clicked it, and there it is. And over there on my computer, there's CNET running also. So it's the same thing pretty much. You scroll up, it moves up along with it. See? Kind of stupid, I know, for me going back and forth like that. So yeah, it's the Safari browser is what I'm using right now for the phone, or for the computer really. And you have your links up there. Sorry if you really can't see them. Focus is not working very well on here. There's Facebook. You really can't tell from here. It's a little blurry. Other than that, the picture shows it pretty well. And so the address bar is up here. You click that. Raise up your slider keyboard. Hit the delete button like that. And it clears the URL screen right there. And you can type up anything you want. I don't know what to type in there to show off that you can actually go to a URL. Now, interesting here. I want to see if there's so many settings on this. I'm just still learning. I'm pretty sure you can get the pop-up, the touch screen where you can input, what you want to do on here. But it's basically, progressive.com is coming up. I just clicked it on my favorites. It was in the top left-hand corner, and it's loading, and there it is right there. I have an account with them, so now there is the X right there. Now it's kind of hard to hit. I'm getting these little flashbacks of Windows Mobile having to reach on the far corner to hit that X, but it's got, it's got real good pinch and zoom. It's the best I've ever seen. What's this? Change the color scheme. Don't show me this again. Okay, so I mean, look at that. That is just perfect. It's better than the Dolphin browser, I swear. And the Dolphin browser has recently just made a update to fix the pinch and zoom gesture, and this does it quite well, very well, perfect. I mean, it's real neat. The neat thing about this program, which is it's called Phone My. Whoa, I'm trying to remember. Well, let's see. Let's minimize the screen. There it is. Phone My PC. That's the Android app. So you would type in Phone My PC at the Android Marketplace. So I'm zoomed in to my home screen, so you want to zoom out. And there it is. And there's the start menu. Pops up. Perfect. If I was lazy enough to, there's LimeWire. If I was lazy enough to get up and go to my computer to get a song, you could just enable this app. If your PC is on, by the way, I think that's the only way it works, then yeah, it's pretty neat. You can interact live. I'm showing you the menu. There's the keyboard. So you actually can bring up the touchscreen keyboard up there. There it is right there. There's more keys, modification, and there's the help menu, and there's quite more right there. Quality's the highest. Since I'm on Wi-Fi, it'll pick the best if you're on 3G or not. You have your computer running and you're, at a restaurant 20 miles away or an hour away, and you can dig through your computer or surf the web using Internet Explorer or the Safari browser, and yeah, as long as your computer's on. You can also do a feature on your phone that will enable you to, let me see if I can, I don't want to mess up this whole thing, so I'm going to go ahead and see if I can restart it. I'll just hit the home screen, bring it back up, and it'll show the laptop or the name of your computer. So the main menu on this application, you can control mouse keys, view snapshot, view a current picture when you're away from the computer. You can view it live. So if you know someone's at home using your computer and you're at your workplace and you want to see what they're doing, what windows they're looking at, what address is or whatever, this thing can get kind of crooked. You can actually probably, watch them put in their password and username and all that junk and credit card information. Lord have mercy, I hope no one ever does that. Interact live would be neat though. So if no one knows about this application, which you can run it hidden in your computer, you can actually interact and take over the computer while the user is at home freaking out, seeing the windows minimize and maximize, and perhaps even do a little thing where you can go in a notebook and type in a personal message like I'm watching you. That's pretty fun. Well, that's kind of creepy. I wouldn't do that to somebody. I guess I would. I don't know. Anyway, interesting app. It's worth looking at, and just something to look at if you want to try it out. And if you don't like it, get your refund and within 24 hours. And hopefully the updates will add sound better. Maybe it'll be optimized more and be more responsive. It really already is. I mean, look at that. That's just pinch and zoom perfect. I mean, I just can't get over that. So you can manage your computer pretty much on your Droid if you have your computer running in the background with Phone My PC. And so that's what you were looking at earlier. It really isn't Flash running on Android yet, which, they'll so hopefully when Adobe does release Flash Player for Motorola Droid, hopefully in the near time soon, it won't make the browsing lag as much. I mean, they developed this phone with Flash 10, in mind, so hopefully it's as smooth as this right here. I mean, that's just perfect. It does well with Wi-Fi. I've tested with 3G and it does pretty well also. It lags just a little bit, not too much. It's pretty interesting. I should do a video with it running 3G, but I mean, I don't really think that all matters really. But this is showing something from MySpace or something, some kind of video. I didn't really look at it. And that's the audio you're hearing from the computer.